A happy couple, Samantha and Christopher. They had, such a wedding planned, a destination wedding in Aruba. Doesn't that sound great? Well, then a hurricane ruined everything. You remember Sandy from about 8-9 months ago? Their home blown away, living on Staten Island, destroyed. Look at that mess. So now you got to save the money, fix up the house. There goes the destination wedding in Aruba. That just stinks.
But less than a year later, they got their fairy tale ending thanks to the generosity of local vendors who had been so touched by their story. And joining us now are newlyweds Samantha and Chris Reingold. Welcome, guys.
So you got married anyway?
Yes.
We did.
Yeah, how did it happen? I mean, once your home was destroyed by Sandy and you didn't have the money for the wedding, then who all came together to make it happen?
So after the storm, I had entered a contest through the.com that was to win a dream wedding. I was like, our luck can't get any worse, so maybe this could lead us somewhere.
So you won?
No, we didn't win. It went to a vote. We didn't win the vote, but a wonderful girl named Carly Zip is the PR director for the Knot, and she just, fell in love with us and wanted to make sure that she didn't leave us out in the dust after everything, and she managed to pull a bunch of people together using her contacts.
Well, it looked like a beautiful ceremony. I know it's not Aruba and all that, but it was still, you got married, Chris.
Oh, it actually felt like Aruba. It was like 95 degrees out. It was
Right.
brutal. Yeah, it was really hot.
You know, stuff like this would sometimes tears a couple apart. What happened with you?
It actually brought us closer.
You think?
Yeah.
I do.
How so?
It's just that we kind of, once it first happened, we just went out on the front porch and just sat there in shock, and we just said we got to just start cleaning and getting the house back up and running.
But there was I mean, you had to be disappointed.
Oh,
Aruba. Yeah, that's pretty nice.
Yeah.
But
No,
a
of
New
course.
York City wedding is 10 times more spectacular than that.
It is spectacular. It's great. I mean, and look at where you guys came from. This was your house that was destroyed. I mean, look at all the devastation. So many people lived through Sandy. They're still cleaning up, and it's just incredible to look back at these pictures and see what you guys had to contend with at the same time. That was supposed to be the happiest time of your life, but you made it through.
Yes, we did. No.
What's the status now?
Status is the house is back up and running and good because I pretty much focus on the house and she focused on trying to plan out the weddings.
Well, we felt badly for you, so we dumped this sand on the cement here. And we would like to have you share your honeymoon right here.
Yeah.
Is this good enough?
This is good enough.
Clear. This is
fine.
Actually, we think we can do a little bit better. We want to bring in Ronella Chinashu Cruz. She is the CEO of Aruba Tourism. Come on in, Ronella. Stand right here with us.
Good morning.
And tell us the special surprise that we have for this couple now.
Good morning. My name is Ronella Chinashu Cruz, and I'm the CEO of the Aruba Tourism Authority. And on behalf of the island of Aruba, we would like to surprise you with an all-expenses-paid honeymoon to Aruba.
Oh my God.
Because we know that you really hope to have your dream wedding on our island. And we learned about your story, and we were deeply moved about that.
Thank you so much.
Oh, Samantha, you big crybaby.
I've been very emotional the past couple of weeks. That's wonderful. Thank
So
you
you'll get to
so
spend
much.
4 nights on the island
my
at the
God.
oceanfront DV Aruba all-inclusives where you'll have unlimited access to the beach, to the restaurants, the multiple pools, the bars, and we would love to personally take you around the island as well and offer you an off-road adventure on the island where you'll get to see some of the desert like interior of the island as well.
The downside is that Mike and I are coming along.
Wonderful.
You're more than welcome to join
Come on.
us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So you got to choose right now. Is it this sand pile or Aruba?
Thank you so much.
And here's your sunscreen because you will need it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're
Have a
welcome.
great life together.
Oh, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Best
Thank you.
of luck
Oh
to
my
you
God.
guys. Thanks for sharing your story with us.
problem.
And have a
Thank you.
great time in
Thank you,
Aruba.
Ella.
Send us some pictures.
Thank you. We will.
Thanks so much. Thank you.